My name is Sarah Tanno, Global Artistry Ambassador for Marc Jacobs Beauty. I love the new formula of the Omega eyeshadows. They're super buildable, have great color payoff, and you can apply them with your fingertip in a swipe. The Big O. This is the type of color I would use in basically every makeup. I like to start by kind of sketching out the shape of the look I'm going to create. It works well as a transition shade if you're doing like the smokiest or brightest eye colors. It really helps for it to blend seamlessly. The new gel formula is so smooth that I found that I actually love to sculpt the whole face with this. Looks beautiful under the cheekbone, across the forehead to warm it up. This is a really easy way to achieve a monochromatic look with just one product, or it creates a really nice base for whatever you want to add next. Daddy O. It's a rich, warm brown that's great to add definition around the eyes that's really subtle, or in the brows. Anyone who knows my work knows that I love a red smoky eye. This is a rich, warm brick red, perfect for creating those looks. Primo. It's always that color in a palette that you go through first. You can use it and incorporate it in every makeup look that you do. I love applying it on the inner corners to brighten the eye, swiped across the lid to brighten, and even under the brow bone. Bravo is a beautiful golden bronze. It looks good on every skin color, and I love to just apply it with my fingertips and swipe it across the lid. OMG is a copper bronze shimmer. It looks beautiful to warm up any makeup look, and it also looks really great on medium to deep skin tones. Oh yeah is a great plum shimmer. It's a softer approach to a smoky eye. You could apply it all over the lid and at the lash line. Really adds dimension to your look. Perfecto is a great shade for every day. You could swipe it across the lid to give a very clean beauty look. Also, I love it to highlight the brow bone. Dynamo is a great slate gray. This is a color that I recommend every woman has to take their look from day to night. A little bit at the lash line, in the crease, and you have a perfect smoky eye in a second.